Good morning. Today is Saturday, which means that it is Comme des Garçons Day, aka Junya Watanabe is gonna be showing Noir and Comme des Garçons, and Alex and I are getting ready now. So I'm very excited. Let's see. Okay, let's go.
Stop fucking playing with me. Don't sit knocking inside. Let's stop playing. Lose exchange, man. One-on-one in the planet, man. Stop playing. You see the jewelry, man.
Okay, are you done? My man can never become a rapper. So, oh my god, you can barely see it, but it's so pretty. Zero. How cute is this? So like our hotel street literally has a market. Yeah, 10 minutes. Do you want to get breakfast? I'm not a breakfast person, but wow, that looks literally amazing. Thank you so much. An emergency flan before the show. Nom 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 nom. It looks proper, bro.
It looks like a sweet person.
Subject took his first bite. Yeah. He's devouring it.
Give us a tour.
I look like one giant football. Oh my god, why am I low-key nervous? I don't know, I have butterflies, I don't know. But I feel like I have that every show.
Maybe.
Because I'm just excited. Are we excited?
Super excited. Oh my god. We are excited.
A few days ago I went to the Comme des Garçons store and I got a gift, which is I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. Oh my god. And the bow, oh my days, so cute. I think I'm gonna wear it with my second outfit when I go to the Noir show. It is, I think, a collaboration between Noir and Repetto. Oh my god, I love. Okay, so now we're going to the second show and it's from Noir. This is what I'm wearing. Oh my god, it's the best thing ever, literally. Glitter.